Hey, welcome back, tubers. This is Mr. Fix-It coming at you. I am going to do a Home Depot seeds review for you today. I hope all of you are doing fine. I know it's been a while since I've done a video. I've been quite busy traveling and having visitors. But today I am going to do a video on a Southwire. This is a kit they have produced with all the essentials for splicing cable. Okay, so this isn't actually for like doing electrical work on 110 or 240, 120 or 240. This is for actually cable like this. Okay, this is telephone cable, computer cable. There's all kinds of trades that work on punch boards and stuff like that. But that's what this kit is. It comes in a container like this, okay? And the kit's pretty nice. It's got a flashlight, except batteries are not included, so you need 2 AAA batteries for the flashlight. Okay, the flashlight's pretty cool. All has Southwire on it. It's guaranteed for life. Okay, but they have these fancy scissors. They've got a lock on them. Okay, they actually go in the kit right here. Okay, the only thing with this holster, I wish they had put a belt clip on here. I mean, it does have a spot where you could put it on your belt. Okay, but I don't usually wear a belt, so I like when they have a belt clip on the back, but they don't. But it still works pretty good as a holster. And I mean, even if after a while you find that these aren't the tools you want in there, you could put other tools in it. But I mean, this is basically a kit for wire splicing. Okay, like I said, it's for this smaller wire. So I took in with these scissors, I was able to cut this wire like nothing. Okay, so these are pretty sharp, but also it has these little notches in it right here. I don't know if you could see those notches. Okay, and that's for trimming these small wires. And it's hard to do it with if you have a pair of pliers for 110 for using on 14 or 10 wire. This thing is actually just for this little wire. Okay, and what you do, you stick the wire in these little grooves and it takes the cover off. Can you see that? Okay, so the scissors are great. It also comes with a marker. The marker, I've already used it. It's pretty nice. It's a permanent marker, okay, for marking. Most of the time you got to label, your punch board or whatever. This comes in handy for that. It comes with a knife, okay. So this is a knife. You could use it, for cutting the wire or for trimming the wire, whatever you need to do. It's got, and it also has a little cover here, which is embedded in the handle, which is really nice. So you can put this on the blade and stick it in your pocket and it's not going to cut you. So if you find yourself just using this without the holster, that comes in handy. Okay, I'm going to keep it the same for now. But the holster does carry that. I already went over the flashlight. You got the scissors. You got the marker, and you've got your knife, your trimming knife. And you can use this for cutting the whole wire, on a table or something, or you can use it for, trimming the protective cover off the wire. So it's a pretty decent kit. It's all together. You could stick it on your belt, stick your scissors in the back here. Okay, pretty nice item. And like I said, the Southwire stuff, most of it is guaranteed for life. Okay, they go through the back here and show you everything included and what it's used for. Okay, so the knife is forged steel for durability. The scissors are comfort grip. I'd say the flashlight is probably about 100 lumens, which is all you need when you're working on a board or something. It does have the little clip, so you could clip this in your pocket or clip it in your pocket down here if you're not using this holster. So all the tools can be kept in this holster, or they can be used separately. Okay, like I said, with this knife, it's got the cover, so you can put the cover on and carry this singly in your pocket without getting hurt. The kit's nice to have. For me, I like to have kits for everything, so it's pretty cool. The problem with me is most of the time I end up, taking the stuff out and never putting it back in, so then I got to go look for it or something. But so the important thing when you have a holster like this, keep everything together, and then when you go, when you do a project, you don't have to go looking for the stuff. That's all for the Southwire cable splicer kit. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'm glad you guys are watching my videos. Like and subscribe. Hit the button, subscribe, share the video, okay? If you like it, share it. And I'll be coming at you with all sorts of videos. Like I said, I took a little break here, but I got to get back into the system and start sending more videos to you. If there's something you want reviewed, just leave it in the comments. This is Mr. Fix-It coming at you this morning with the cable splicing kit from Southwire. Pick one up. I'm sure you'll like it. Thanks for coming. Bye.